Yes, welcome back to another episode of your boy Ohms. On today's one, I'll be showing you the Rujbally climb and all of our wonders and all of our glory. And basically, this is Rujbally Road, but it's actually Rujbally Lane because house after house after house is pretty much all Rujbalys. I mean, that's how we roll out here. I mean, you get me? We go out here strong. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go from house to house and basically show you about and like introduce my grandma and my parents and all the other relatives, and yeah, basically head along. Starting here is the ground floor, which is where my grandma lives, just down here. Above there is my house with my parents, and then next door below we've got my uncle Farouk, who is the eldest. He lives down below. And then above is my uncle Azad. Next door to that we have my dad's cousin Sajid, fisherman, as some people might know him by. So that's where my cousin Ismail also lives. But they own the whole thing, so top and bottom, that's their yard. And then the one after that is Chachi Fazana and Rayaz. He is the brother of Sajid's. But yeah, so basically we've got that whole row of houses here, but houses on that side leading up, they're relatives or cousins. Down here, that house, and down there are relatives and cousins. This house here is also relatives. That house is also relatives. I mean, fam, we just got people everywhere. At the end of the day, that's what it is. We just got people everywhere. And hopefully I'll get through and let everyone know, the future generations, who these people are, if you never get a chance to come in. Peace.